Hey everyone, welcome back to Road Reg. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my M140i. As you can see, it is extremely dirty. I haven't managed to get round to cleaning it for nearly a month now. I usually try and clean it once a fortnight, however due to being extremely busy this month and the unpredictable weather, the car has been neglected. The car is going into the body shop soon to have the front bumper painted, so I have been deliberately trying not to use any waxes, sealants or coatings. However, in this video I am going to be using a quick detailer to bring back a little gloss and shine to the paint. Just a couple of notes I want to point out. I am not a professional detailer, just an enthusiast. This is a basic maintenance wash, not a full decontamination. If you notice I have missed a few panels or wheels, fear not, they weren't missed. It's just to prevent the video from being too long. And finally, it did unfortunately start to rain as I was finishing the car, which is typical here in the UK. Anyway, sit back, grab yourself a warm or cold beverage and enjoy the video. As you can see, the car is looking much nicer than it did before. The paint has come up really nice, considering this was just a basic wash. All the products in this video will be noted in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like and comment if you're feeling friendly. I hope you enjoyed that video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care, guys.